So for this project from the Dollar Tree, we will need poster board, this silver garland. I also picked up tubes of these silver ornaments. I ended up getting one more tube, so 3 of those. I got the silver smaller ornaments and a silver star for the top of my tree. And you will also be needing any type of tape, your hot glue gun of course, and any type of string just to draw your circle. So I should have marked the middle of my poster board, but you guys can kind of get the idea. I just want to center one end of the string with the middle of the poster board and draw a circle all the way around. So next thing we are going to do is just cut out our circle. Once we have our circle cut out, we are going to just roll our circle into a cone. Once we have our cone formed, we are just going to apply some tape to hold our cone together. Okay guys, so if your cone is not standing upright how you would like it to, like mine was doing, you can go ahead and just trim the base and just kind of level things out at the bottom. And I'm just going ahead and applying even more tape just because I do want my cone to be really sturdy and for nothing to detach. Now I'm just going around the base of the cone about 3 to 5 times with this silver garland, and I'm just going to hot glue this on to the bottom. I just think it added a nice little effect at the base. You don't have to do this, but I like how it looked. Now it's time to start adding our ornaments on our tree, and you could detach these hooks if you'd like. I'm just going to keep them on, and you just want to kind of hide the hooks by gluing the side with the hook onto the tree. Okay guys, so I recommend you use your smaller ornaments to kind of fill in any gaps you might see that are left between your larger silver ornaments. And I also found that these smaller ornaments were really good for the top of my tree since it's so narrow, so I'm just going ahead and adding these to the very top. Next, I'm going in with my ribbon, and I'm going to tie my ribbon to the very top of the tree just so I don't see any of that poster board paper. And we're just tying a knot here at the top, and then I'm going to drape the rest of my ribbon down throughout my tree. So I think this ribbon really helped to kind of disguise any gaps that I may want to hide throughout my tree, and it also just adds a really nice touch. So I'm just going ahead and hot gluing parts of the ribbon onto my ornaments just so it can kind of guide it in the right direction. Alright guys, so the last thing we are doing is just hot gluing this silver star to the top of our tree, and we are all done. This came out so beautiful and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.